Hello students, welcome back to the online classes. Today I am taking lesson number 5, Theseus and the Miniature part 1. Okay. This is the revision of this chapter. Now we know the story of this Theseus and the miniature. Uh, Athens, that is in Greece, was ruled by Pythius, and he had a son called Aegeus. Now, Aegeus one day met a young maiden in a very far place, and there he fall in love with that maiden, and her name was Atra, and he married her and stayed there for many years, for can say for many years, and they both had a son whom he named as Theseus. Okay. After the child was born, after few days or few months, Pythius called back Aegeus back to his kingdom Athens. So before going to Athens, Aegeus took Aethra to a mountain top and dig a big pit and put his golden sword and his embroidered sandals in it, and covered it with a big boulder, a very big stone, and told to his wife Aethra that when our son, that is Theseus, will grow and he will become a man, and when he is able to remove this boulder, this big stone, he will send him to me with this golden sword and sandal. With this I will recognize him, and he will be the heir of my kingdom. That means he will be the king after me. Saying this, he went back to Athens. Now, Aethra and Theseus were living all alone in that area. Every birthday, means after 12th birthday, okay, after 12th birthday, Aethra used to take Theseus to this hilltop and ask him to remove this stone. Since he was small, he was not having that much strength to remove it, even shake it. But he used to ask, why mother, you are asking me every year to remove this? What is the secret? And she says that you will come to know, I will tell you later when you are able to remove this stone. So after the 18th birthday, when he grew up into a very strong man with wisdom and knowledge. This time he did not use his strength or power, but he used his wisdom. Instead of lifting the stone, he took a very strong stick, a long wooden stick, and with the help of that he rolled out the stone from the pit. And then there was this sword, golden sword and embroidered sandal. When he removed this, Aethra was very happy, and then she told him that you are the son of King Aegeus of the Athens. When he heard this, he was very happy, but he asked, then why you never told him, told him about this, that he was the son of the king? Then she said that your father had ordered me and a kind of a strange command that I should not tell you till you are able to remove this big stone. Now she says, okay, now since you have removed this, you take this sword and sandal and go to Athens and meet your father. He will recognize you. Now Athens was very far away, and on the way there were a lot of danger on his way. There were a lot of forests, wild animals, robbers, dacoits, so many were there. But since he was a young and strong man, he was very skilled in sword fighting. So when whoever came on his way, he defeated them, he killed them. So before he could reach Athens, his bravery reached to the people, and people started talking about him. The moment or the day when he reached there, people welcomed him with a lot of cheer and clapping and took him to the King Aegeus. When he reached to the court of King Aegeus, when Aegeus saw him and in his hand the sword and this sandal, he immediately recognized that it is his son. He ran from his throne, got up from his throne and ran towards his son and hugged him and welcomed him. And he said, I was waiting for you, my dear son. And he took him to the people and said to that, he is my beloved son. Now, Theseus was staying in the palace, and it was almost a week or so, and days were passed. One day he heard some people were weeping in the street. So he ran to his father and asked, Dad, what happened? The people are crying, people are weeping. Then Aegeus told him that they were defeated by King Minos of Crete. Okay, King Minos of Crete had defeated them in a battle. And he had a strange promise and a kind of a strange demand that I will not disturb you, I will give you peace, but every year you have to give me 7 maid and 7 young servants. So this demand was there, and today is the day that we have to take the lot of the 7 maiden and 7 young maid. Then he asked, Theseus asked, what will happen to them? And he says that Aegeus says that King Minos has got a very kind of a demon, a kind of a miniature who is half bull and half man, and who is very, very dangerous. No one is able to defeat him, and he lives near the palace. So these 7 maidens and 7 young maids are thrown into his cave, in his maze, and he eats them up. So Theseus said, okay, fine, this time the 7th man I will become, I will go. But the king said, no, my son, I cannot send you. But Theseus says that, don't worry, I will go and I will kill this miniature, and I will return safely. So this is the summary of the story. I hope you might have understood this. Tomorrow I will come back with the second part of this story. Till then, stay home, stay safe, have a nice day.